In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Free Fire app error, download failed, retry. So to solve this error, first we need to check our internet connection is working properly or not. If the internet connection is stable, working properly, then you get this error. Then go to settings, your device settings. Scroll down, tap on apps. Search for Free Fire app. Tap on force stop. Click OK. Now go to storage. Click on clear cache. Go back. Go to permissions and allow all the necessary permissions. So we have enabled all the permission and make sure this manage app if unused is disable. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then tap on mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. After doing all this, check your problem of downloading error was solved or not. If still not solved, then go to Play Store, search for Free Fire and check there is any update or not. If there is any update, update your Free Fire. But after doing all this, your problem is still not solved. Sometimes the problem is related to your device. So simply restart your device, long press on power button, click on restart and restart your device. After restarting, check your problem is solved or not. If still not solved, then the problem is related to server. You need to wait some time. After some time, your problem will be definitely solved. And one more thing, check your device has enough storage. If your device doesn't have enough storage, then you get this error. So you need to free up space, at least 2-3 GB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.